And I feel like you catch me or nothing. Cause me and him a fuck a long time. Long time. From no got a long time, I boom off him cocky with my tight pussy. Oh, you claim say you're a hot girl. You a boss. But make a girl take your man right under your nose. You're a loser. The man all stop sleeping in your room. He want come out in the living room, come out in the kitchen. Anywhere me there, if not even did one dare on you. As your doors off, the man I feel me up. He couldn't resist. Body nice and comfortable, unlike your jiggly cellulite. Look at your shape and then look at mine. Look at my face without makeup and then look at yours with makeup. B, you can't come in my class. My teeth them white like a piece of chalk. Your teeth them chaka chaka. You wanna I'm gonna tell girl, where do it? Danet dinosaur me like you don't stay good like blood clot queen eye candy. That's why Marsh Madness get take away from you and you had to go back to Shaggy that you claim you can't stand and don't want. Same way them try gang up on Isha. Same way them try gang up on Sue when them never get invited to her wedding. Same way them try gang up on Star when she fuck Laza. No can't do. Y'all man looking hoes think y'all bullies. Y'all can't bully Queen Eye Candy, baby. Come again. Donna swear she a boss and she get paid like $20. Them and everybody ever follow because these bitches always sit down and talk about everybody, them bad mind everybody, and them thing is the most flap piece of fart of the deal. I'ma just come.